Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're preparing for our Maths GCSE. It's a foundation paper here, non-calculator paper, and it's algebra, simultaneous equations. So let's solve this, let's get those marks, let's get those grades. 4x plus 2y equal to 3, x minus y equal to 6. So it's two straight lines and we're trying to find where they meet. I'm going to use the process of elimination, but before that, I'm going to modify equation 2 and multiply equation 2 by 4. So 4x minus 4y equal to 24. That way, the x and the x will cancel. So now I'm going to do 1 minus, let's call this 2 star. So 4x minus 4x is 0. 2y minus 4 is 6y. And 3 minus 24 is minus 21. And then I have y equal to minus 21 over 6. I then substitute that into, can we simplify that all? They're both multiples of 3, minus 7 over 2. Sub that into, the easier one would be equation 2. So x minus 7 over 2 equal to 6. And then I'm going to do x plus 7 over 2 equal to 6. So then x equals 6 minus 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is 3.5. So x will equal, 2.5. And that's my answer. Okay, just to go through that again. And I could check these answers using a different method now. I've used elimination, but let's do this with a different method called substitution. Because x minus y equals 6, I can then say that x equals 6 plus y, and substitute that into the original equation there, 4x plus 2y. So 4x plus 2y equal to 3. I'm now going to replace the x with 6 plus y. So 6 plus y plus 2y equal to 3. So 24 plus 4y plus 2y equal to 3. 24 plus 6y equal to 3. And then I get 6y equal to 3 minus 21. So 6y equals, minus 24, minus 21. And I'm back at the stage I was before, y equals minus 21 over 6. So either method that I take, I end up with y equal to minus 21 over 6. I could try elimination, where I modify that equation, or I could try substitution, where I replace the one variable by the other. And then once I'm at this step, I go back to here, and I get x equal to 2.5 and y equal to minus 3.5. If you have a computer, have a look on Desmos and look at the graph on Desmos. But as you can see, both methods gave us the same answer. This would have led to x equal to 2.5. Okay, let's have a look at another question in this paper. Let's look at question 26. This is probability. Kabit has 2 bags. In the first bag, there are 5 discs and 3 red, 7 blue, and 4 red. Take a disc at random from the first and then from the second. So this first bag doesn't affect that bag. Let's complete this. Remember, these must always sum to 1. So that must be 3 over 8. We know that from the 3 there. 7 over 11 must be 4 over 11 there. Those must sum to 1. And because this doesn't affect this, this is also 7 over 11. 4 over 11. That gives us a nice 2 marks. Work out the probability that Kabita takes 2 red. Red. So here and here. 3/8 times 4/11. This video also comes up in the higher playlist because this question is also on the higher paper. You can multiply across and get 12 over 88 and then simplify. I prefer to cancel factors and do 3 over 22. And that's the probability of red and red. Okay, let's do one more question here, which is on some algebra. I really like algebra questions because you don't have to read a lot and you get good marks. Okay, so 3x squared y cubed times 5x cubed y. Do the numbers first. 3 times 5 is 15. Do the x's. Use your index laws. X squared times x cubed is add those, x to the 5. There's an invisible 1 there, y to the 4. That gives us 2 marks there. Then expand and simplify. 2k plus 1, 3k minus 4. Should end up with 4 terms. 2k times 3k is 6k squared minus 8k plus 3k minus 4. Now I've expanded. Now I simplify. Collect like terms. 6k squared minus 8k plus 3k is minus 5k minus 4k. Those are the only terms that are the same. So I'm going to collect those like terms together. And that's what I mean by simplify. And there we go. The quadratic term 6k squared minus 5k minus 4. Another 2 marks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And good luck for your exams.